Hello everyone, my name is Barry Anderson, moderator of the Trading Room and the Trade Ideas Trading Room, and this is the stock of the day. A little bit of a change of pace here, guys. NVEI, and unfortunately I was not able to get this one. I was wrapped up in something else and I just couldn't chase it down. But man, a lot of people in the trading room took this one on both sides. So what happened here is that if you're familiar with a company called Spruce Point, they sort of specialize in shorting, and they come out with really damning articles usually. And I think they had teased the night before they were going to come out with one the next day, and this was it. And they dumped all over this NVEI, and boy, look at the effect it had. I mean, this was yesterday. This was almost a $100 stock, okay? And in the pre-market, it started to move. An Eagle guy in the trading room brought it to our attention. And look what happened once the market opened. 90 all the way down to 42. Now, in a side note, Citron, if you know Citron at all, they used to be the notorious short sellers, Citron, and they changed their tune ever since I think they got nailed with GME. And so now they're on the long side, and they basically came out and said, you know what, this is way oversold, and here are the reasons why we think that it's way oversold, and they laid out their premise, their thesis, and look at the bounce it had. I mean, from 43 up to 58. So many in the room took advantage of the downside, and many in the room took advantage of the upside. And it's just the beauty of the room. We help each other. But definitely kudos to Eagle Guy, and of course Zach, who kept hammering at us, on this one. So great trade. I took some other trades that worked out very well for me, but this had to bring this to your attention because rarely do we see these short sellers when they come out. Rarely do we see that sort of a reaction. But man, oh man! And on the flip side, when a newsletter comes out and says we think it's too oversold. So you had it both ways. Anyway, want to get back into the trading room. So any questions for me, you can use this email address. The room is now open at 8 o'clock, not 9 o'clock. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern time. I hope to see you in the room. Bye-bye.